Here we have a 1951 case VAC. This is a little older restoration. It's running right now. Just started right up. Started up on its own power. Got a good battery on it. Runs pretty smooth. Not real familiar with the operation of all of the stuff on this. Hydraulic arms were up, we put them down, they didn't come back up. Might be a little low on oil, or it might not be operating it quite right. We'll have a better answer on that once we get a chance to look that over. PTO works fine, we tried that. Got like new rubber on it. Not identical match, but they're both good tall cleat, just like brand new. No hour meter on this tractor. Been upgraded to an alternator, 12 volt.